Are you tired of constant sciatic pain that just won't go away? You are not alone. Millions struggle daily with discomfort that limits their activities and affects their quality of life. If you're searching for relief, it can feel hopeless. Many people try DIY remedies or over-the-counter solutions, but these often fall short. They might provide temporary relief, but they don't address the root cause of the pain. All that trial and error can leave you frustrated and still in pain, wondering if you'll ever find something that truly works. Enter Sciaticyl, a supplement designed specifically for those battling sciatic discomfort. What sets Sciaticyl apart is its unique blend of natural ingredients that target the underlying issues, helping to promote comfort and support nerve health. It's not just another quick fix, it's formulated to help you feel better long term. In clinical studies, key ingredients